In our laundry area, we had a very old utility sink that was practically begging to retire, so we decided to replace it with a more practical option that also provided storage underneath. When we opened the box, we found the basin, legs, lower shelf, faucet, and the different parts needed for assembly. To get started, we placed the basin upside down and began assembling the frame. We secured the legs in each corner and then installed the lower shelf, which helps keep them aligned and stable. Next, we installed the faucet and checked each connection before turning the sink upright. The part that required the most attention was arranging the hoses and properly securing the connections underneath the basin, so we took our time and followed each step carefully. Once the assembly was complete, we positioned the sink beside the washing machine and finished the installation. The basin is a comfortable size and includes a textured washboard section on one side. I also like the lower shelf because it provides a practical place to organize laundry supplies. This is how it turned out in our laundry area: more organized, functional, and with the space we needed for the tasks we handle here.